In this video, we're going to show you how you can subscribe to your favorite YouTubers directly from your PlayStation 4. And you're going to need a couple of things. One, you're going to need the YouTube app from the PlayStation Store. And two, you're going to need to be signed into that YouTube app. Now we're going to demonstrate this, and I'm going to go to one of my older games in my library. Let's see, let's try Bulletstorm. One maybe doesn't have a description. Perfect, check back soon. Now this doesn't tell us anything about the game, so if we want to view some information on the game, we'll go to the trending area, in which this is an area that's allowed for content creator material. Immediately you notice that there's two people live streaming this game, and there's a multitude of videos made on this game. We're going to look at the first video that's in the top area here. Eyesabuv245. Let's see if they're on YouTube. Don't forget, if this video helps you out, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're new to our channel, be sure to subscribe. Immediately going on to this channel, or this person's page, however you'd like to say it, you'll notice that you can comment or thumbs up. Now you can only do this on the PlayStation Network. This does not go over to YouTube. You'll also notice that you can view this game or purchase this game directly from the PlayStation Store. You can follow this player on the PlayStation Network, or you can subscribe to this person on YouTube if you're currently signed in on your YouTube app. We're going to demonstrate that right now. Boom, subscribe. We hope this video helped you out. If it did, like I said, be sure to give us a thumbs up. And as always, goodbye!